everybody, Boone White with the 323 Concept Furniture Restoration here. You are watching the 323 vlog. Thanks so much for tuning in. A customer brought this recliner armrest in to me, wanted new padding put on. So as you see here, just using my oscillating tool and my manual staple remover to remove the material. Once we get that off, as you see here, the padding has quite a bit of wear on one side from the customer's elbow. So we are going to remove that, clean up the surface just a little bit. Then from here, we're just going to replace it with a new 2-inch padding. So we mark our templates, cut those out with some scissors, and the original didn't have this, but I'm going to add a Dacron material over the top. That just sort of helps create just a little bit more padding and smooths out the edges a little bit. So we get all that cut out. Then I use some spray adhesive to make sure that's soundly in place. Then we get it stapled around all 4 edges. Nothing too complicated there. And did a little bit of dry fit, made sure everything looked good, like the way it looks. Then just get it all stapled in place, and turned out really nice. So let me know what y'all think.